Hello children, ma'am is back again and with a new video. Chapter number 7, multiplication, and video number 4. Video number 4. And yes children, what ma'am is going to show you all is, this time we are going to discuss on multiplication tables. A new topic, multiplication tables. Okay, just see. Yes children, multiplication table. You know what is multiplication table? It's just a very simple thing. First I am going to show you with some things. Okay. First I will write in I will show you by showing some objects. Then I will write in numbers. Okay. Is that clear to you? Okay. Just see. This will be the multiplication table of 1. Okay. This will be the multiplication table of 1. See children, this is multiplication table of 1. This is the multiplication table of 1. And in this table, we have to make a group of only one object. So in the first thing, only one dot is there. So there is only one group of one object. One group of one object. So how ma'am is going to write it? 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. And that will be our table. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Is that clear? And then for the second, see, how many dots are there? How many dots are there? How many dots are there? 2 dots. This means 2 groups of one thing. 2 groups of one thing. So how ma'am is going to write this? 2 times 1. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. This is called the multiplication table. And in this way, we are going to write the table of, we can write the table from 1 to 10. But first, ma'am is going to show you the table of 1. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. And for the second number, just see, 3 groups of 1. So 3 times 1 is equal to 4. And the same way, 4 groups of one object. This means 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Here I have done one mistake. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. And 4 times 1 is equal to 4. And here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 groups of 1 means 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 groups of 1 is equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 groups of one thing means 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 groups of one object will be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 groups of one thing is equal to 1. And in the same way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 groups of one thing is equal to 10. Got it children? And this is our multiplication table. This you are going to write in your classwork copy, and you have to learn this also. Okay? What you have to do, you have to write in your maths copy and you have to learn this table also. And this is the multiplication table of 1. And in the same way, we are going to do the multiplication table of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Is that clear children? See, you can see in your book also, page number 101. 101. This is the multiplication table of 1 is given, and page number 102 multiplication table of 2 is given. Okay, ma'am is going to write the multiplication table of all these numbers in the blackboard, and you all are going to copy it down in your copy. And one more thing you all have to do is, yes, you have to learn also, because you all know very well ma'am is going to take the test also, and for that you have to learn. Yes, write in your copy. This time multiplication table of 2, and this, yes children, but I want to show you one thing. Yes, I want to show you. I will show you how to do in your copy, because I know you all are going to do mistakes. So you just see how you are going to write in your copy. In one square you will write 2. Okay. In one square you will write 2. Then you will leave one square. Then you will again put the sign of multiplication. Then again leave one box. Then you write 1. Then you will write is equal to, then you will write 2, like this. It should be written like this, then only it will look beautiful, otherwise not. And again for the next step you all are going to write 2 times 2 is equal to 4. In this way you all are going to write the right. Yes children, just see. 1 times 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Okay, and 3 times 2 is equal to 6, and 4 times 2 is equal to 8, and 5 times 2 is equal to 10, and 6 times 2 is equal to 12, and 7 times 2 is equal to 14, and 8 times 2 is equal to 16, and 9 times 2 is equal to 18, and 10 times 2 is equal to 20. Okay, can you see this? Yes, and in this way only you all are going to write in your maths copy, and just see, you have to leave one square, and you have to write in a very beautiful way, not like me, because my handwriting is not so good, but your handwriting should be very good, because then only you will get chocolates from me. Okay, yes, then comes the table of 3. Okay, then 1 times 3 is equal to 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. And 6 times 3 is equal to 18. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. 8 times 3 is equal to 24. And 9 times 3 is equal to 27, and 10 times 3 is equal to 30. Okay, and then we will write the table of 4 also. Okay, 1 times 4 is equal to 4. 2 times 4 is equal to 8, and 3, yes, 3 times 4 is equal to 12, and 4 times 4 is equal to 16, and 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Okay, and then 6 times 4 is equal to 24, and then 7 times 4 is equal to 28. 8 times 4 is equal to 32. 9 times 4 is equal to 36, and 10 times 4 is equal to 40. Children, This is what I am telling you. You all have to do this in your copy, and you have to learn this also. And after the table, multiplication table of 3 and 4, what will come? Then comes the table of 5 and 6. Then comes the table of 5 and 6. Okay. First 5 and this side 6. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. 4 times 5 is equal to 20. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. And 6 times 5 is equal to 30. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. 8 times 5 is equal to 40. 9 times 5 is equal to 45. And 10 times 5 is equal to 50. This is the table of 5. And you all have to copy it down in your copy. And then you have to write in your copy, and then you have to learn it also. Okay. Then we will write the table of 6. What we are going to write next is table of 6. 1 times 6 is equal to 6. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. And then 5 times 6 is equal to 30. And then 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Then 7 times 6 is equal to 42. 8 times 6 is equal to 48. 9 times 6 is equal to 54. And then 10 times 6 is equal to 60. This is the table of 5 and 6. You all are going to copy it down in your copy, and then you all have to learn it also. Is that clear? And then we will write the table of 7 and 8. Okay. 1 times 7 is equal to 7. Children, please say with me. Okay, say with me. 2 times 7 is equal to 14. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. And 5 times 7 is equal to 35. And 6 times 7 is equal to 42. And then 7 times 7 is equal to 49. And 8 times 7 is equal to 56. And 9 times 7 is equal to 63. And then 10 times 7 is equal to 70. Are you repeating after me, children? Please repeat after me. 1 times 8 is equal to 8. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. And 3 times 8 is equal to 24. And 4 times 8 is equal to 32. And 5 times 8 is equal to 40. And 6 times 8 is equal to 48. And then 7 times 8 is equal to 56. And 8 times 8 is equal to 64. And 9 times 8 is equal to 72. And 10 times 8 is equal to 80. Just see, children, this is the table of 7 and 8, and you have to learn it, children. Okay? You all are going to learn it. Copy down first in your copy, and then you will learn it. Yes. Then comes the table of 9 and 10. 1 times 9 is equal to 9. 2 times 9 is equal to 18. 3 times 9 is equal to 27. 4 times 9 is equal to 36. 5 times 9 is equal to 45. 6 times 9 is equal to 54. 7 times 9 is equal to 63. 8 times 9 is equal to 72. and 9 times 9 is equal to 81, and 10 times 9 is equal to 90. Okay, then comes the table of 10. 1 times 10 is equal to 10, and 2 times 10 is equal to 20. 3 times 10 is equal to 30, and 4 times 10 is equal to 40. 5 times 10 is equal to 50. 6 times 10 is equal to 60. 7 times 10 is equal to 70. 8 times 10 is equal to 80. And 9 times 10 is equal to 90. And 10 times 10 is equal to 3-digit number, that is 100. And children, now ma'am is going to say you few things. Okay, you all have to learn all these tables, and don't forget to learn all these tables, and don't forget to write in your copy. Okay, write in your copy, then learn, and be ready for your oral test, because ma'am is going to ask you. Okay, bye bye, see you soon in the next video.